Hey everyone, today we're going to compare Webflow and Wix Studio, two of the biggest website builders out there. So let's see which is best for you. Let's start with Webflow. It gives you complete control with pixel-perfect design and no code required. It gives you CMS capabilities for powerful content management for dynamic sites. And Webflow is more advanced, but it does have a steeper learning curve. All right, let's go to Wix Studio. There is a ease of use. It's beginner friendly with a drag and drop interface. Its templates are pre-designed, making building quick and easy. However, it is more restricted when it comes to custom code or if you'd like more advanced features. All right, so which to choose? Well, if you want complete control and flexibility, then I think you should go with Webflow. If you want something quick and just easy to use, then Wix Studio is a good option. So if this comparison helped you out, like and subscribe for more insights, and I'll catch you later.